What's up, guys? Really excited. I got this package in the mail today from ThursdayBoots.com, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing and an examination of them and a try-on. This is my first time ordering from these guys. I ran across them on Instagram, and they kind of grabbed me because their boots, the style of their boots, at least the ones I ordered, are a cap toe like this Stacy Adams Madison, which is probably my all-time favorite shoe as far as comfort and style. I've owned these in probably a half dozen different color combinations over the years. But the problem I have with the Stacy's, I see it better on this one, is if you scuff them against anything, they're this really fine, like top grain kid leather or whatever, and it just kind of peels off and it looks really cheap, you know? And so they just don't take abuse well because they're not like a full grain leather, like a boot leather, which these guys are supposed to be. So, first thing, we got just some nice touches to the outer box on the inside. Handcrafted with integrity for wherever the day takes you. And then down here, welcome to Team Thursday. We hope you enjoy. So that's kind of a nice touch. I like little personalized, or at least semi-personalized things like that. This is the actual shoe box, or boot box, I guess it would be. Very chic. I got the brown Captain boot, as you can see. So let's crack this baby open, see what's in here. Okay. Matching paper, I like that. So, quality guaranteed by Emily, I guess, apparently. That's kind of cool. Definitely smelling a strong leather smell, that's a good sign. And, whoa, okay. So I like this. They come individually wrapped in plastic. Oh my gosh, this is like being in a Western store. I haven't smelled leather like this since my last pair of cowboy boots. Hang on, I'm going to get these out and set all of this aside. Okay. So, wow, I just got to take a look at these here. So, ideally, they do offer a made in USA, a few made in USA shoes and boots, just not this particular style. So, you know that, if you know anything about me, you know that that's my preference. But these guys, this shoe is designed in New York, made in Mexico. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm cool with Mexico, you know. I've owned Fender guitars and amps from Mexico, and so. But man, look at this. This is a nice looking boot. I got the brown leather here. It's kind of a reddish brown, very rich. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. It's thick boot leather, and I guess it's glove leather on the inside that it's supposed to be super comfortable. So we're going to check these out. I like that they have these little things at the top just for quick lacing. They have a rubber sole, which I'm hoping is pretty grippy. My plan is, if these are really as comfortable as everybody says, that I may get a pair for work at the hospital when I have the money down the road. So first thing I got to see is if I chose the right size. Now I take an 8.5 dress shoe. I take a size 10 sneaker, both as a running shoe or as a skateboard shoe. And I take a size 9 boot in like combat boots and some cowboy boots. So I went with the 9 just because they say you can usually go with whatever you take a dress shoe in. But I went with a 9 because I use insoles, and it's pretty important to me to be able to fit those in and still have some comfort. So I'm actually going to go get those real quick. I'm going to try these on. I have a piece of bathroom rug here so that I don't scuff them up. If they don't fit, I can send them back for a smaller size, but I'm pretty confident these are going to fit me. I wish I could convey via video just how good these smell. Some of you guys may know, well, I don't think I've done any, no, I did do a leather review on a wallet, this wallet. Lost Dutchman. So I do have a thing for leather products. Saddleback Leather, owned a bunch of their products, and cowboy boots and what have you. So a really high quality leather that is well designed and well prepared, has a wonderful smell to it. So let's try these things on and see how they feel. So this is initially, anyways, this is with the insoles. And I think with this insole, they're going to be a little too tight. This is a bigger insole, but I have some other ones over there I'm going to try. So initial impressions so far, they feel pretty good. There's definitely an area in the instep that's kind of stiff that's going to have to break in. I understand the break-in period for these, from what I've read online, is pretty quick. But wow, what a good-looking boot. I'm trying to show you guys how good these look. These are fantastic. And like I said, they've got the brown has kind of reddish hues to it, so as it gets burnished and breaks in, I think it's going to look really, really, really nice. So my initial impressions, pretty favorable for Thursday boots. I'll do another review down the road after they've broken in a little bit and let you guys know how they're wearing in. You know, maybe I'll be able to answer some questions by then. If you guys have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Yeah, really pleased with these guys. Check them out, and I'm going to jump off of here. This video is way too long already, but I'll edit some of the stuff down in the middle. But yeah, I can't recommend Thursday boots enough. They make seemingly a great product. I'll be back in a few weeks or a couple months to kind of show you how they're wearing in and how they're starting to develop character and how they're fitting as the leather softens. So stay tuned for that. Leave me a like or a comment if you're interested in my content. Some of the products that I like to review, or maybe just my music that I do. Please subscribe, and you know, leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Appreciate you guys. Take care. God bless.